you're searching for. You are broken on the floor, and you're crying, crying. He has done this all before, but you're lying, lying to yourself that he'll find out, that he will change to someone else. But you're broken on the floor, still asking him for more. Will you leave, or will you carry on? Is your love from before still strong? If you leave, will you keep the memory that made the night so long, that cut so